Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create realistic talking AI avatars in CapCut. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel using AI talking avatar, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create it using CapCut, from generating your AI character to syncing lifelike speech. So what you need to do is just open CapCut and head to the media tab in here, and you'll see this option called AI avatar. So you can just click on it, and in here you can see the avatar library. You can choose the avatar that you want to use for your video. So there are lots of options: man, women, a girl, boy, and also a cartoon like this. So you can just choose the avatar that you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this author anime education. You can download it first, so hit on the arrow down in here. Okay, so once you select your avatar, you can click on next. In here you can also create your own by clicking on this button, but I'm going to just use this one. Tap on next, and now you can just add the speech. So enter what you want the AI avatar to read, and you can change the AI avatar and voice below. So here let's just write the script. For example, I'm going to just don't forget. Okay, let's just try that one. And here let's choose the voice. I'm going to go with this one. Let's try the charming male.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Okay, you can also hear the result of the voice first before creating the video.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to. Hi guys, don't forget to.
So there are lots of voices options, and there are also like in a certain or local language, like this one. I think this one is Japanese, Chinese, and also on your own language. Let's try another one.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hi guys. Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I think I'm going to just use this one, and then you can just hit on generate in here, click on allow, and CapCut will generating the speech, and your AI avatar video will be done within minutes or seconds. It depends on the speech itself, I think.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
So it will applying the speech into the avatar. It will sing the voice into the avatar movement. So I just wait. Okay, so AI avatar is created, and here is the result.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
So if you're satisfied with the result, you can just export it, or you can also do some editing if needed. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.